In ancient Babylon, King Nebuchadnezzar demanded everyone worship a golden statue, but three young men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, refused, staying true to their faith in God. Furious, the king ordered them thrown into a blazing furnace, so hot it killed the guards nearby. Miraculously, the three remained unharmed, and a fourth figure appeared with them in the fire. Astonished, the king called them out, realizing their faith had saved them. The story teaches that steadfast faith and courage can help us overcome even the greatest trials.